Here are the ingredients for meatloaf. You'll need ground beef, vegetable oil, egg, milk, breadcrumbs, salt and black pepper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease a baking dish with the vegetable oil. Then beat an egg, and in a large mixing bowl, add the egg to the ground beef and combine them. Add the milk and continue to work it until the meat and milk have blended well. Then add the breadcrumbs, the salt, and the pepper. Continue to combine it all until everything is blended nicely. Then place it on the greased baking dish and form the meat into a loaf. Now place it in the oven and cook for an hour or until the meat is cooked. And when it's done, you've got a new twist for the old-fashioned meatloaf. From simplefoodie.com